Bleach is a blunt instrument. While it disinfects, it fails to break down uric acid crystals and poses a severe risk of respiratory distress for your pets. At Wade Media Labs, we launched a technical audit of 20 pet-safe cleaners. We analyzed molecular targeting and enzymatic efficiency to find products that actually destroy organic stains. We audited for uricase integrity. High-performance enzymatic cleaners utilize specific proteins to literally digest uric acid crystals, the primary source of persistent odors that chemical cleaners cannot touch. For non-enzymatic winners, we measured bond disintegration rates. These formulas use advanced chemistry to pull apart the molecular bonds of proteins and fats, ensuring total stain elimination. Our audit identified hidden hazards. We found that many natural cleaners still contain phenols and ammonia, which can cause metabolic stress in sensitive breeds. Only 4 formulas earned our stain destroyer rating. These winners utilize accelerated hydrogen peroxide and multi-enzyme matrices to provide professional-grade cleaning with zero toxic residue. Stop masking the mess with toxic fumes. In the workshop of the home, molecular science is the only way to achieve a truly clean environment for your pets. See the full molecular logs in our 2026 top-rated cleaning picks at pawgearreview.com. Look for the Pet Safe Cleaning Audit.